Welcome to Prithivesh Finance. We have promised all of you that we will start 2022 IPO of the market of Nasdaq, but we have not started yet, and we get a lot of questions about what Apple will trade into the market, what Tesla will doing, what are the ways it will be comes to India, what exactly that's going on. If we will start the Nasdaq like that way, then probably we have to start broadcasting the channel, because it's like people asking 10,000 questions. We are making videos, we don't get any subscriber. Our channel gets already saturated one right now, and means like there are very less number of subscriber over here. Anyways, okay, fine. Last week we did a mistake about this Nasdaq Composite Index. Actually, whatever we have given stable lower end was not 16,900, it was 15,900, and mini lower end was not 16,750, it is 15,750. Because if you see, even the right number is maximum higher end, we have given is 16,150 only, but unfortunately due to hurry or due to some work, we have missed out the numbers, and we are sorry for that. Right now we are predicting from Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100 just for 10 Jan 2022 till 15 Jan 2022. So wait and watch what is our prediction for this upcoming week. Prediction for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 3rd Jan 2022 till 9 Jan 2022. Nasdaq Composite Index, we are expecting, if it is show the maximum, it can target at 16,150. If it has show the flat trend, it can be stabilized at 16,900. And suppose it has gone down, it can touch up to 16,750. If you see Nasdaq 100, it can goes maximum higher end 16,850. Suppose it has been stabilized, it show the stability in the trend, it can touch up to 16,500. Suppose this gone down, it can touch up to 16,200 only. Means downtrend analysis says that it can goes down 16,200 only. Hello investors, Prithivesh Finance presenting Nasdaq predictions. Yeah, dear investors and viewers, if you see last week, whatever we have given prediction was quite false. We have missed the digit numbers. It's actually 16,150, which we have predicted for maximum higher end for composite index. Okay, but in reality, if you see, it is just a higher end prediction, and yes, we have wrongly given the numbers for 16,900. It is actually 15,900 for composite index, and minimum lower end which we have predicted is a 15,750. But as we've written, we have read over here, so that's the reason we are not claiming that Nasdaq Composite Index which we have predicted was correctly, because we have given maximum higher end was perfectly 16,150. So lower end it can't be stable at 16,900, right? So that's the reason it was a 15,000 actually. If we give the lower number, will be absolutely after 16,000 is a 15,900 and 15,750. Yes, if you see whatever we have given, it's like 15,000 range. The Nasdaq shows performance. Composite index showed the downtrend which has touched up to 14,935 itself. So we are happy. Yes, we have missed and we have given a wrong return. We are sorry for that. Actually, it has been perfectly predicted, but unfortunately, that 16 and 15 we misplaced it for Nasdaq Composite Index. So we are not claiming that we have achieved it. Yes, but in case of Nasdaq 100, if you see, we have predicted 16,850. If you see the 16,800, actually it has quite touched its which was 16,513 was shown in this graph itself. And yes, absolutely, according to us it has 16,500 it goes down, and it has been not stabilized it, but yeah, again it shows the downtrend. So it has gone below 16,200 itself, if you see. So that's the reason actually the Nasdaq 100 shows the drastic changes over here around 1,000 points. Means like from 16,500 till 15,500. Means there is a lot of volatility in Nasdaq 100 itself. So we are happy to say this. Nasdaq 100 really well perform. If we check out over here in this chart analysis, the downtrend has shows because probably Omicron affected the market right now. Dear viewers, prediction for Nasdaq Composite Index, Com and Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq Composite Index, we are expecting this can goes up to maximum higher end 15,150. It can stabilize at 14,800, and if it is gone down, it can touch up to 14,600 itself. We are expecting this week, expected week Nasdaq Composite Index can show again downtrend over here. So Nasdaq, or it can show the flat trend. It will be uptrend. Let us see in this upcoming week. So Nasdaq 100 maximum higher end, we are expecting 15,700, and if it is got down, means like it has showed some stability over 15,200, and suppose it goes down, it can touch up to 14 not 15,000 or 15,050 only. So viewers, why we are expecting these predictions quite for Nasdaq Composite Index? Because there is a lot of volatility in the stock exchange of Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100. So Nasdaq 100 literally given the downtrend over here in the last week. So we are expecting from 10 Jan 2022 till 15 Jan 2022, Nasdaq 100 show more volatility over here. So we will come back to you once it has been achieved it. Thank you by Vidhivesh Finance, and we are yes, we have committed that we will upload the new videos for Nasdaq IPOs, but we are not getting that much amount of response. So that's the reason we are hold this channel, because as we see, this channel is not growing as much as we expected. Within a year, we have only 63 people as subscriber. So it's quite distracting us. It was doing a stop doing this channel, but yes, again we are continuing because yes, we were expected at least 100 people should subscribe this channel. But even giving the right predictions about the Nasdaq, even we gives a perfect prediction about IPO analysis of the GMP analysis, the market, whatever the GMP has been achieved, the share target has been achieved even after the 6 months. Even after the 6 month gap, we are achieving the share target. was not maybe people comes visit, find out whether it has been achieved it or not, and then leave it. Nobody subscribing. This channel is quite distracting us, so that's the reason we see the people are saturated. Means this channel has Vridhivesh Finance as a saturated one right now. Means there is it has a steady, it is not growing even. Yes, we are putting on Twitter, but Twitter is also not giving that much amount of crowd over this channel. Apart from that, Quora people just asking the questions, what, etc., etc. Yeah, there is a lot of market for cryptocurrency, and we have started the Crypto Blush, but Crypto Blush is not getting that much viewer, and we are quite distracted and upset. So that's the reason we have not uploaded any kind of video as of now on Vridhivesh Finance or not even Crypto Blush. So we are not aware what will happen in the future for Vridhivesh Finance. We are really distracted by the viewers. Viewers are really coming and going and coming and going, and then they just watch it the target somewhere. The people, we have seen a lot of there are the channels from the other YouTubers response with the GMPs is quite nearby us even, but whatever our GMP has been achieved also, if you see, because recently we have seen one of the stock market target has been achieved it, and we will upload the video today itself. Wait and watch. Have a great day, guys. Happy weekend, happy Saturday, and some Sunday too in advance.